So I'm washing my hands. Good morning, Mr. Sanchez. My name is Felicia. I'll be your student physical therapy assistant today. Do you like to go by Hector or Mr. Sanchez?
Hector is fine.
Okay, Hector's fine. Okay, well, I reviewed your plan of care with the physical therapy assistant, or with your physical therapist, and he says it's okay for us to do our treatment today. I saw that you have a history of osteoarthritis, hypertension, gout, and coronary artery disease, so I'm going to be keeping my eye on those things while we do our treatment. So I'm going to have to touch parts of your leg and expose. You already have your shorts on, so that's fine. But I'm going to have to touch parts of your leg. Is that fine?
That's fine.
Okay. So for our first measurement, can you lay your head back on these pillows and put your feet up? Very good. And can you scoot to the edge?
Sure.
Thank you. I am going to put these pillows underneath this one leg.
Okay.
Try to give you a little bit more ability to have some motion here. Okay. I'm going to have you do this motion and relax. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Okay. And then relax it. Okay, can you do that motion again? Okay, perfect. Okay, is that as far as you can go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. That's at a 0. That's an increase for you from 5 degrees. You've increased 5 degrees. Very good. The next one is going to be the motion where you point your toes. And so can you do that motion for me? Thank you. All right. Let me get this.
I usually go about 30, I think it is.
It's 30? Okay. So I'm going to have you go. Okay. Yeah, you're about 30 degrees. So the normal for plantar flexion is 50, and the normal for pointing your toes is 50, and then the normal for raising your toes up is 20. So we're going to work on those things, but you're doing good. You're increasing. Okay, can I have you sit up?
Sure.
Thank you, and just hang your feet off the edge.
Okay.
I'm going to see how much strength you have
Okay.
in this motion, where you point your toes out. Can you do that? Okay, cool. Good. So, put one hand here and here. I'm going to have you point your toes out as far as you can and kind of resist against some resistance I'm going to give you, and we're just going to see how strong it is, okay? We're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Just keep your hips here on the table, both of them straight, and then try to keep your toes relaxed throughout the motion, okay? That will help us to target the muscles that we're actually testing. Okay, ready? Okay, move it out, and hold, 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 and release. Okay, that was pretty good. You held on to it right until the end, so I would say that's a 4 out of 5. The next one, I'm going to have you get off the table because it's going to be testing for your...
Oh.
Yeah, these aren't made very good for this, but you can stand on this little carpet and put your right foot around the back of your leg, and then with 2 fingers, only 2 fingers on the counter for balance and stability, and then raise up onto your toes as many times as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh. That's it? Okay, 18 is very good. So that's all I have for the test. Now, I'm going to give you an exercise and a stretch. Okay? So for the stretch, go up against some wall or something at work, maybe, and just kind of put your left foot back. keep your heel on the ground and your knee straight. And just kind of lunge forward until you feel a good stretch. Hold it for about 30 seconds. And then release it. And then maybe do that 3 times throughout the day. And just don't make it hurt too bad, okay?
Okay.
For a strength, if you want to sit down here, I'll give you this TheraBand.
Okay.
And you can sit at the edge of your chair and put your leg out, your left leg out on its heel, and bend your knee just a slight bit. Move it back just a little bit. Okay, and then push down like a gas pedal. Yeah, do you feel that kind of? All right. Good. We'll just do maybe like 10 of those, if that seems like that would be okay. Yeah, do that 3 times a day. And that's it. So I'll give you the TheraBand to take home.
Okay.
What's your pain?
It's about an 8 when I was standing and doing
Oh yeah.
the things. But
Yeah.
when it's just sitting and resting, probably more like a 2.
More like a 2. Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No?
Thank you very much.
Thank
It's been nice working with you. I'm gonna wash my hands.